Okay, well, good morning students. In this video, we will discuss the first chapter of standard 9, that is number system. Before starting the chapter, at first we will discuss what are the contents of the chapter, means what we will have to learn in the chapter. In the chapter, we will learn about number system. Also, we will learn about decimal representation of rational numbers. We will learn about conversion of decimal numbers into rational numbers. A representation of different numbers on the number line. A representation we will discuss representation of different numbers, like as representation of rational number, representation of decimal number, and representation of irrational. Also, we will learn sorts or radicals and some rules for the exponent. These all things we will learn in the first chapter of standard 9, that is number system. Okay? So at first just write all the contents. And now we will discuss on the first content, that is number system. In the number system, as we have learned in our previous classes, so many numbers. Out of this, number 1 is natural number. You know what is natural number? So counting number started from 1. Also you can say the simplest numbers such as 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Counting number which is started from 1, that is known as natural number. If you will go through natural number, if someone asks from you what is the smallest natural number, you can say 1. And what is the largest natural number? Smallest natural number. Smallest natural number, that is 1. And the largest natural number, largest natural number, answer can't find, can't predict it. Reason why we can't find the largest? Reason for this, each of the natural number has its own successor. Each of the natural number has its own successor. That's why we can say we can't find the largest natural number. If someone says 9 is the largest natural number, successor of 9 is what? 9 plus 1, that is 10. Means we are not able to find the largest natural number. Okay. Another one number what we had learnt in our previous classes, that is whole number. You can say natural numbers included with 0. अगर आप नेचुरल नंबर में 0 को इंक्लूड कर दो, मीन्स काउंटिंग नंबर स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम 0. Numbers started from 0 are known as whole number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. If someone asks from you what is the smallest whole number? Smallest whole number equal to 0. Largest whole number can't find. What will be the reason? Again, each of the whole number has its own successor. Okay, जो भी नेचुरल नंबर है उसका अपना सक्सेसर है. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर नॉट एबल टू फाइंड द लार्जेस्ट होल नंबर. Another one is integers. Already we have discussed regarding this in our previous classes. What are integers? So the negative and positive form of natural number, or you can say whole number included with zero. The negative and positive form of natural number included with zero means you can write -1, -2, -3, 0, 1, 2 and so on. These all are integers. If someone asks from you how many types of integers, there are 3 types of integers. Okay, leave it. At first we will discuss smallest integers. Smallest integers. Reason is what? Smallest integers can't find. Why we can't find the smallest integers? So why we can't find the largest whole number? Each of the whole number has its own successor, and here what? Each of the integers has its own predecessor. Each of the integer has its own predecessor. Actually integer का अपना predecessor है. If I will say -1 is the smallest integer, just you will go through the predecessor of -1. Predecessor of -1 is what? -1 -1 means -2. किसी का भी predecessor फाइंड करना है तो उसमें आपको 1 माइनस करना होगा. Predecessor of -5 is what? -5 -1 means -6. I was just saying, if I will say -1 is the smallest integer, is this correct? No. Actually, the predecessor of -1 is -2 and -2 is smaller than -1. That's why -1 is not the smallest. Means if you will go through the integers, you are not able to find the smallest integer as well as the largest integer. Largest integer. Can't find. The reason? Each of the integer has its own successor. Is this clear? There are a lots of number inside the number system. Okay, we will discuss on it right now. All of you have understood regarding this? Okay, one more thing. If you will go through the integers, there are 3 types of integers. How many types of integers? 3 types of integers. Number 1 is positive integer. Positive means 1, 2, 3 and so on. Positive means an integer with positive sign. Number 2, negative integer. An integer with negative sign, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. And number 3rd is zero integer, and that is only 1, 0. If someone asks from you, 0 is positive or negative? 0 is either positive or negative. 0 जो है वो positive है या negative है? The answer is जीरो इज नीदर पॉजिटिव नॉर नेगेटिव। जीरो जो है ना तो पॉजिटिव है और ना ही नेगेटिव। मीन्स फाइनली वी हैव गॉट देयर आर थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ इंटीग्रल, वन इज पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव, अनदर वन इज जीरो। अंडरस्टूड? Now we will discuss a number which is written in the form of p by q. A number which is written in the form of p by q, that is fraction, as well as that is a rational number. The definition is a number which is written, you can write here, a number which is written in the form of p by q. Here also a number which is written in the form of p by q. A number which is written in the form of p by q, a number which is written in the form of p by q. What is the difference between fraction and rational number? Fraction, a number is in the form of p by q, and this is also in the form of p by q. There are some differences between these two. Here, where p and q are natural number, and here where p and q are integers. P and q are natural number, and here p and q both are integers. Also, q must not be zero. Means denominator should not be zero. Denominator जो है वो zero नहीं होना चाहिए. And here p and q are natural. If you will go through the example, you will take 2 by 3, 5 by 6, 1 by 2. If someone says, sir, 5 is an example of fraction or not? Of course. Numerate at the place of p is 5, and at the place of q is what? 1. Means 5 is also, 5 can be written in the form of p by q. If someone asks from you, sir, 1 is an example of fraction or not? Yes, of course. 1 also can be written as 1 by 1. If someone asks from you, 0 is an example of fraction or not? 0 is also can be written 0 by 1, p by q. But 0 is not an example of fraction. Reason for this? This is not a fraction. Actually, here at the place of p, you have taken 0, and 0 is not a natural number. 0 is an integer. But in the case of fraction, we will have to use at the place of p and q only natural. Is that clear? That's why 0 is not a fraction. All of you have understood? There are so many types of fraction, and we had learned regarding the fraction in class 7, in class 8 in detail. And in the rational number, whenever you will go through this, a number which is written in the form of p by q, where p and q both are integers. Here again you can take 2 by 3. You can take minus 2 by 3 also. You can take 5 by 6, and you can take 5 by minus 6, minus 5 by 6. These all are integers. Now a concept is generated over here. What concept? What is the relation between a fraction and a rational number? Relation between these two numbers, all the fractions can be said rational numbers, but all the rationals can't be said fraction. रैशनल नंबर से जब आप गो थ्रू होगे तो यहाँ आपको मिलेगा पॉजिटिव रैशनल, नेगेटिव रैशनल एंड जीरो रैशनल. ऑल दी पॉजिटिव रैशनल, जो भी पॉजिटिव रैशनल है, ऑल दी पॉजिटिव रैशनल कैन बी सेड फ्रैक्शन एंड रेस्ट ऑल रैशनल कांट बी सेड fraction. Here you can take 2, -2, 1, -1, 0 also. These all are rational. Any doubt? Was that clear? Also we will learn inside the number system perfect number, perfect square number, perfect cube number, and lots of number that we have learned in our previous classes. Right. One more number we will have to learn. That is irrational number. Irrational number. What is irrational number? If we will discuss for class 9 only, अगर हम सिर्फ क्लास 9 के लिए बात करें, अगर हम क्लास 9 तक की बात करें, irrational नंबर क्या है? Directly you can say a number which is not rational. वैसा नंबर जो रैशनल नहीं है वो नंबर irrational. लेकिन जैसे ही आप ये डेफिनेशन आफ्टर क्लास 10 देते हो, द डेफिनेशन इज एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग. उस समय वो डेफिनेशन क्या होगा? गलत होगा. क्योंकि 10 क्लास के बाद वैसा नंबर जो रैशनल नहीं है वो नंबर इरेशनल है ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. जो नंबर रैशनल नहीं है वो कॉम्प्लेक्स भी हो सकता है, वो इमेजिनरी भी हो सकता है, और भी बहुत कुछ हो सकता है. लेकिन इन क्लास 9 irrational can be said a number which is not rational. A number which is not rational. वैसा नंबर जो रैशनल नहीं है तो वो irrational है. वैसे अगर इसके डेफिनेशन में आप एग्जैक्ट डेफिनेशन आपको चाहिए, इफ यू वांट टू द एग्जैक्ट डेफिनेशन ऑफ इरेशनल, एट फर्स्ट वी विल हैव टू डिस्कस द डेसिमल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ द नंबर. डेसिमल रिप्रेजेंटेशन, डेसिमल रिप्रेजेंटेशन. If you will go through the decimal representation of a number, sir, you will say, sir, decimal representation already we have learned. Yes, of course. But whenever you will go through the decimal representation of a number, you will get two cases. Number one is terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Another one is non-terminating. Non-terminating decimals having two types. Number one is non-terminating repeating and non-terminating non-repeating. terminating decimal and non-terminating decimal. If you will go through the non-terminating decimal, you will get non-terminating decimals having two types. Number one is non-terminating repeating. Non-terminating repeating means non-terminating recurring. Repeating means recurring. And non-terminating non-repeating means non-terminating non-recurring. You can see. Just it is not clear. If you will go through the definition and example, it will be clear. Just go through the definition of terminating decimal. What is terminating decimal? The definition of the terminating decimal says the decimal expansion of a number. The decimal expansion of a number. Here decimal representation also can say expansion, decimal expansion. The decimal expands, if the decimal, go through the definition of terminating decimal, the decimal expansion of a number will stop after one digit, two digit, थ्री डिजिट और मोर डिजिट. अगर डेसिमल एक्सपांशन किसी नंबर का वन डिजिट, टू डिजिट, थ्री डिजिट के बाद रुक जा रहा हो तो वैसे डेसिमल एक्सपांशन को टर्मिनेटिंग बोलेंगे. और अगर वो नहीं रुक रहा हो, इफ द डेसिमल एक्सपांशन विल नॉट स्टॉप, इफ द डेसिमल एक्सपांशन विल स्टॉप और इफ द डेसिमल एक्सपांशन विल नॉट स्टॉप, those decimal expansions are known as non-terminating. And in the case of non-terminating, you will see sometimes the decimal expansion will not stop, but the decimal expansion will not stop, but after a certain number of digits, or you can see a particular digits, or you can see some digits are being repeated. Hope so only one digit is being repeated. Hope so more than one digit is being repeated. But here the decimal expansion will not stop and no any digits will be repeated. अगर कोई भी digits repeat हो रहा तो वो repeating में जाएगा, वो recurring में जाएगा, और वो रिपीट अगर नहीं हो रहा तो वो नॉन रिपीटिंग में जाएगा. मतलब यहां डेफिनेशन हो गया, इफ द डेसिमल एक्सपांशन ऑफ ए नंबर विल स्टॉप आफ्टर वन डिजिट, टू डिजिट, थ्री डिजिट और मोर डिजिट्स, द डेसिमल एक्सपांशन इज नोन एज टर्मिनेटिंग. और यहां हो जाएगा, इफ द डेसिमल एक्सपांशन ऑफ ए नंबर विल नॉट स्टॉप आफ्टर वन डिजिट, टू डिजिट, थ्री डिजिट और मोर डिजिट, अगर वो नहीं रुक रहा हो, are known as non-terminating. Just go through the example. If you have to find the decimal expansion of 2 by 4, you will take 0.5. You will find the decimal expansion of 4 by 3. Sorry. The decimal expansion of 3 by 4, you will get 0.75. The decimal expansion of this will be 2.567. Okay. Here you can see the decimal expansion will stop after one digit. The decimal expansion will stop after 2, will stop after 3. Hope so. Take some more example. 2567 by 10,000. 0.2567. 0.2567. Here you can see the decimal expansion will stop after 4 digits. Means if the decimal expansion will stop, that is known as terminating. Means these all are the examples of terminating. Okay. Now just go for the non-terminating. Take some more examples. If you will find the decimal expansion of 2 by 3, it becomes 0.666666 and so on. It will not stop. Means it can be written as 0.6 recurring. Actually here the decimal expansion is being repeated from a single digit. जब एक डिजिट से रिपीट हो रहा है तो उस एक डिजिट के ऊपर रेकरिंग लगा दो. Okay, suppose if you will find the decimal expansion of 1 by 7, you will get the answer what? 0.71 just 7. You will get 3, 7 4 is 28, 2, 7 2 is 14, 6, 7 8 is 56, 4, 7 5 is 35, 5, 7 7 is 49, and then 1 4 2 8 5 7 and so on. Means you can see that decimal expansion of 1 by 7 is also being repeated. Is also being repeated from how many digits? 6 digits. Means it will be written as 0.142857 recurring. Actually the decimal expansion of 1 by 7 is being repeated from how many digits? 6 digits. One more point we will discuss over here. Length of period. Length of period. Length of period is what? The number of digits. The number of digits which are or is the number of digit which is being repeated in the non-terminating repeating decimal. Here how many digits are being repeated? Only one digit. Means here length of period is what? 1. And here length of period is what? 1 2 3 4 5 6. मतलब कि जितने डिजिट से रिपीटेशन हो वो क्या हो गया? उसका लेंथ ऑफ पीरियड हो गया. एनी डाउट? तो दिस ऑल आर नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग. जस्ट गो फॉर these all are non-terminating repeating, non-terminating recurring. Now we will discuss on non-terminating non-repeating. Non-terminating non-repeating, just you will find the decimal expansion of root under 2. Root under 2 you will take 1.414. What? If you will go through the calculator or some more, you will take 1.41421 3562 and so on. Just go through the decimal expansion of root under 3. 1.732 05 08 07 and so on. आप देख रहे हो कि the decimal expansions is not being stopped. Decimal expansion को रोका नहीं जा रहा है. Decimal expansion will not stop. रुकेगा भी नहीं. And it is not being repeated. और इसको repeat भी नहीं किया जा रहा है. जब ये रुक नहीं रहा है, repeat नहीं हो रहा है, तो वैसे केस में non-terminating, non-repeating. Is it clear? Irrational क्या है? कहता है a number whose decimal expansion is non-terminating, non-repeating. Is known as irrational number. Actually, this is the new number for class 9. till rational number we have learnt in our previous classes. rational number के बारे में हम लोग 8th स्टैंडर्ड में भी पढ़े, लेकिन irrational हम लोग 8th स्टैंडर्ड में नहीं पढ़े थे. So for knowing about irrational, at first we must know about the decimal expansion. Then we can learn what is irrational. So what is irrational? A number whose decimal expansion is non-terminating and non-repeating. Means these all. If you will go through the example, you can write root under 2, root under 3, root under 5, root under 6. Sir, irrational जो है वो हमेशा रूट में ही होगा, क्यूब रूट में ही होगा. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी. आप डायरेक्टली भी लिख सकते हो, कुछ भी लिखो, बस डेसिमल के बाद वो रिपीटिंग नहीं होना चाहिए और रुका हुआ नहीं होना चाहिए. तो 1 point, this can be written as 1.01, 001, 0001 and so on. 1.2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 01, 001, जो मन में आ रहा है लिखो. डेसिमल के बाद बस वो क्या होना चाहिए, रुका हुआ नहीं होना चाहिए. विल नॉट स्टॉप एंड विल नॉट रिपीट. वो रुके, रिपीट भी नहीं होना चाहिए और रुका हुआ भी नहीं होना चाहिए. ऑन दैट मोमेंट यू कैन से द नंबर इज इरेशनल. वैसे in class 9 we will discuss irrational in detail. Okay, right now only we were discussing what is number system. Inside the number system we will learn about a lots of number. Is that clear? Now we will discuss some points regarding rational, okay, in the next video. Thank you.